Decide if the statement below is true or false. If the statement is false, please correct the highlighted word to make the statement true. Many people began investing in the stock market because they believed it would continue to grow, known as speculation. True, false. Making a small down payment and borrowing the rest was known as A. Buying on margin, B. Installment planning, C. Credit calculation. What happened on Black Tuesday? A. President Hoover resigned from office. B. The U.S. entered World War II. C. The stock market crashed. As banks began to close, many people panicked and ran to withdraw their money in what became known as A. Bank runs, B. Money madness, C. Wild withdrawals. Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. Another cause of the Great Depression was blank, or people not being able to afford the things they were producing. Droughts, unemployment, graduate income taxes, overproduction. Many Americans could not afford things they had bought in the 1920s under A. Bank slips, B. Installment plans, C. Speculation. True or false? American trade began to decline as productions of goods slowed. True, false. What problems led to the Great Depression? Choose all that are correct. A. Overconfidence in the stock market. B. Massive spending by individuals and businesses. C. Overproduction of goods that many could not afford.